Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. I am Tiana, in case you were wondering, and in today's video I am going to be doing my current hair and makeup favorite. And as you saw pretty much by the past videos, I have been slacking on my favorites videos, and I just really want to incorporate some hair products in here as well because it's the summertime and I am wearing my natural curly texture a lot more than I do in the wintertime, which is crazy. So I have a little bit more hair products than I do makeup products, and I just really want to tell you guys what those favorites were. So if you guys want to see this, then please stay tuned. Okay, so as I was saying in the intro, I have been slacking on the favorites videos because honestly I just really haven't been trying out a whole lot of makeup products, and I don't want to come on here and not be genuine with you guys and say that I like something when I really don't, or I just tried it yesterday and it's all of a sudden a favorite. I don't want to do that for you, and I also don't want to do favorites videos that I have talked about 10,000 times in the past. So that's why today I am going to be incorporating some hair products, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. And if you want to see more natural hair videos from me, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below suggesting any natural hair videos that you want to see from me, and I will definitely try to get those done for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get the makeup products out of the way because I don't have a lot of them. So the first product I am wearing on my face today, and I actually just got done filming a video talking about this product, but it's been out for a while now. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. If you guys have not got this foundation yet, definitely go out and get it. It doesn't matter what skin color you are. Go out and get it. Just try it out. Just give it a shot, especially if you're someone who has an issue with oils. This will be your best friend because this is my best friend when it comes to combating those oils and keeping me matte all day. This has it. This is hands down the winner. A more cheaper alternative, of course, is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. You guys know I always rave about that here on my channel because it is a drugstore alternative to this, in my opinion. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparing this since I have the right shade now. I'll have to do that. So this I have not really worn a lot. If you realize, I haven't done a whole lot of videos with this because I had the wrong shade. So this is the shade 450, this is the shade 440, and you can see a pretty big difference between the two shades, and I just thought that I would be able to make 450 work. However, it really didn't work out like that, and I'm so happy that I got 440. Like, it is such a lifesaver. I have literally been wearing this foundation every day since I got the new shade. So love, love, love this. Definitely give it a try. It's at Sephora. Just go pick it up. My next favorite is something that I used as a sample for a long time. I want to say probably like 3, 4, 5 months, and then I finally broke down and said I'm gonna spend the 20 bucks and get this mascara because it is bomb. This is the Stila Extreme Lash Mascara. This is all I'm wearing on my lashes today, and if you see it a little bit more close up, I'm kind of sitting far away right now so you can't see them, but a little bit more close up, they look amazing. They look extreme. Love, love, love this mascara, and if you get the chance to try it out like in a small version, definitely do it. It lives up to its claims. It says it's the huge. It definitely is huge, so love it. Another thing that I've been loving, and pretty much all these products I'm wearing on my face today, this concealer I've really been loving for just a nice radiant glowy finish underneath my eyes. Surprisingly, I like a matte face, but I don't like a very mattifying under eye. I just feel like it leaves them very dry, and that's one of the parts that I actually like to have just a hint of radiance, a hint of a glow. Not oily though, but a little bit of a glow. And I still do set this with translucent setting powder, but it's just not as matte. It's not as drying as another concealer that I have. So I love this concealer. It reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Fit Me. Like, the packaging is literally like identical to the Maybelline Fit Me, but this just gives you a little bit of a glow. So love it. The last makeup related item that I want to mention is the NYX Lip Tease, and this is a lip oil. These are new by NYX, and I actually really like these, and I like them because it doesn't dry down completely. I'm wearing it on my lips right now, and I probably could have used a lip liner just to kind of give it a more ombre look. Something, it kind of washes out. it looks very natural, honestly. It looks like this, like I'm not wearing anything. Like, I feel like if I didn't tell you I was wearing anything, you might not be able to tell. I don't know. It does wipe off pretty easily though, so you may have to watch that throughout the day. But it's so moisturizing and lightweight, like you really can't even tell you have anything on, and it's not really drying, and it doesn't settle into those lines on your lips and like gives you like that chapped look like some liquid lipsticks do. So if you like the lingerie formula, you'll probably really like that, because that slip that you get on the lingerie when you first apply it and you're like rubbing your lips together and it's like really nice and moisturizing, you have a lot of slip, is just this, but in a lip oil is what they call it. So this is the shade Beyond Basic. So moving on now to hair products, I actually have a couple of gels, a hair tool, a couple of different things that I want to mention to you guys and just let you know what I've been loving. I know you guys probably don't see me use them in videos because I don't really film natural hair videos here on my channel, because I am no natural hair expert. So I'm just learning as I'm going, trial and error. But I have started realizing that I do love some products on my hair, and I notice that certain products make a difference than others. So the first product that I want to mention is the Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, and I really honestly like this for the smell. Like, this smell with this is it smells so good. Like, I don't even like it just smells so good. If you're having like a hair day where your hair just doesn't smell, like literally just rub this and put it on your hair and it will just give you like a very strong, nice smell. I love it. But it also does give me really great curl definition. I have been in the market for something that gives me like a little bit of a crunch, but not too much of a crunch, and something that doesn't shrink my curls, because I deal with a lot of shrinkage, which is not a bad thing. But at the end of the day, sometimes I don't want, like for styles like this, like a bun or something, I don't want my curls to be like super shrunken. So I like gels like this that give me a little bit more like stretch in my curls. The next gel that I want to mention is the As I Am Smoothing Gel. This gel I love. I featured it in my slick bun, I think my sleek bun, low bun tutorial, and I'll have that linked up here in the cards. That's my only natural hair video, so go watch it. But I featured this in that video and I love this stuff. Like, every time I come across it, I'm like, let me just go ahead and pick up another one. This averages about $8, although in some places I've seen it like almost $15. So definitely try to find it for $8 before you spend a whole bunch of money on it. But every single time, like, it goes so quick. Like, I can just put my hand in this, especially since I have type 4 hair. I do have to use quite a bit more, but it doesn't hesitate in just slicking down my hair with ease and giving me a lot of moisture. Like, I love the fact that it provides moisture and shine. It says that it provides moisturizing hold and shine, and it definitely does. So I really love this gel. This is my favorite gel for like slicking down. Hands down my favorite. So the last gel that I want to mention is a rather new one to me. I actually went to go get another product and I ended up picking up this, and I really like it so far. So I wanted to mention it. This is the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I picked mine up from Sally's and I want to say it was like $7.99. I don't know. This is the bigger size of it, and it actually was not that expensive. So I really like this. This smell in this, it's kind of a, I don't know, it reminds me of like a body wash smell. I don't know, it's something that it really reminds me of, like a soap or something, like some type of soapy smell is what it reminds me of. But this is really good for defining my hair. Like, I put this all over my hair today and I really like the way it just clumps my curls together. Like, so far I've really been loving this, and this is probably going to be like my new gel for definition. I've been in the market for like definition gel, like curl defining gels, and this are probably going to be like my two favorite gels for the moment. So Love them. Moving on now, I have been going back and forth between growth oils because I really like applying an oil that helps stimulate growth. I like my almond oil and my avocado oils and things like that, but I don't really go out and buy those oils because I just like applying a lightweight oil that also stimulates growth. I feel like if it can do multiple things in one, I'm all for it. So my favorite one right now is the Main Choice Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil, and this is probably like my third bottle of this, and my first time mentioning it here on my channel because I have really been loving this. I've been going off and on between this, and I started using the Curls one, and I didn't really notice a difference with that one, so I went back to this one, and I feel like I've noticed like some changes, like length and growth with this oil. So I love that it has the tip at the top because some of the other oils don't have that, and you have to kind of either put it in another bottle or, you know, use your fingers. I like that you can kind of just use this to separate your hair and just apply it down your scalp and then moisturize it or massage it in with your fingers after the fact. So this also contains a lot of different oils in it, and I like the fact that it's lightweight. Talking about two hair tools, which is kind of odd but very necessary because sometimes like you really don't realize like some of the hair tools that you've been using are kind of old and dated and you need some new ones. And I wanted one of those Mr. spray bottles, and everyone that I kept seeing on YouTube that were using them were saying, oh, it was a gift from a friend, or you know, you can get it online or whatever. And I was like, well, I'm gonna go look at Sally's and just see if Sally's has them. And sure enough, Sally's has the Mr. spray bottles. These are different from like the traditional spray bottle. So this is how this traditional spray bottle looks, and it just kind of sprays the water out. Like, it does a decent job of it, but I don't really like this anymore, and I wanted to try something like this because I feel like it just gives you a better mist. It's like a quicker mist, and you get a lot more. I know you guys probably can't even see that at all. Like, maybe you can see it down here a little bit more. You get like a quicker mist and you get more, and it's just a lot better than the traditional misters. But that one may work a little bit more for soaking the hair a lot faster, because I noticed this one gives you like a nice mist. Maybe if you want just a little bit of moisture on like second day hair, but you don't want like it to be super soaked, this is like a lot better for that. And they call it the 360 mister. It was only $5 at Sally's, and I have been really enjoying it so far. So really like this. The last hair tool that I wanted to mention to you guys has been going around here on YouTube now for quite a few months, and this is the Revlon, I don't know what it's called, the Revlon blow dryer thingy is what it's called, and it's the thing that you use to blow dry and brush your hair at the same time. And so I picked mine up. Where did I get mine from? I picked mine up from Ulta. They were the exact same price as they were on Ulta as it was on Amazon, and Ulta actually had a 20% off. So duh, like I can pick it up today and get 20% off, or wait 2 days with Amazon Prime or longer. So yeah, I went and picked it up, and I actually really like it. I might do a video using this product just to show you guys how it works on my type hair and my texture. So I like this. It definitely does shorten down the drying time, because normally I would just use a brush and my blow dryer, or either use the comb attachment on my blow dryer, but this definitely shortens down the drying time paired along with like a blow drying spray. Okay guys, so that is pretty much all of my current hair and makeup faves for the moment. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up on this video if you like this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.